BMW i4 M50i, which is the quickest electric version of the 4 Series Grand Coupe that you can get. And pay attention to this one because we will actually be reviewing one of these, which is going to be really exciting. Things I like about it, it looks like a regular BMW 3 4 Series. It doesn't really have a frunk, but with that said though, this or Model 3, I would have this all day long.
Yeah.
It has a BMW built interior. The range is okay on it, and I don't think it's quite as quick as the Tesla equivalent. But most critically, you don't have to drive a Tesla when you have one of these. And that's really important to me.
I absolutely.
Have you sat in one yet?
No.
Let's make sure that you get a chance to sit in it.
I will say, I would pay the extra premium to do this over the Tesla, not just to avoid driving a Tesla, but because I trust BMW to kind of hammer in those driving dynamics and pay the attention to those details. BMW, meanwhile, I trust that they will have taken the time to think about the suspension, how it's going to handle, how it's going to drive.
And you know, Andrew brought up this really funny point, which is like, you know, if BMW is going to make a numb steering nowadays anyways, they might as well make an electric vehicle.
Sure.
It's like that.
Sure.
If they're not going to make the best driving ICE internal combustion engine vehicle, maybe they can make the best handling electric vehicle. I think it's clever that they did it as the i4 instead of the i3. So this is based on the 4 Series Grand Coupe, which I didn't even know existed as non-electric version. But basically, it's the coupe design, but with the four-door practicality.
Is it still a 5-seater? No, 4-seater setup.
No, it has a middle seatbelt buckle. Very good integration with the dual screen. I do like that.
Agreed. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little cleaned up in here. Fewer buttons up here. They're slowly stripping out, like it doesn't have the hotkey buttons anymore. So they're slowly stripping out some of that stuff, but still, you got all the high points. Sure.
It's a hatchback too, which is nice.
I'm looking forward to reviewing this.
Yes, it's gonna be nice. The one we're reviewing is green. And the owner was going to get the baseball brown interior, but unfortunately he wanted cooled seats, so he couldn't get the brown leather with it.
That's heartbreaking.
It is heartbreaking.
Saddle brown is the way to go.